Please subscribe.
Guys, welcome to my vlog. Dito po ngayon tayo sa garden ng Hong Kong Park. Ayan guys, ang ganda po dito. Oh my God. Ang ganda. Ano siya, centralizing aircon. Kasi dapat naka-aircon daw yung ganitong klaseng mga bulaklak. So, ayan guys. Hey guys, dito kami sa Hong Kong Park. Tapos yung mga halaman dito social kasi gusto nila naka-aircon. Ayan sila. Dito kami sa loob. Kailangan nila yung malamig. Ayan guys. Wow, amazing. Oh my God. Ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda. Wow. Morning. Oh, so beautiful. Ang ganda guys. Ito naman siya. Orchids. Phalaenopsis hybrid. Hirap ng pangalan. Ayan guys, ang ganda siya. Wow. So, naka-aircon talaga sila. Do not touch. So beautiful. Kaya talaga nilang mapakan yung mga bato. Do not step on the rocks. Good morning. Guys, ang ganda. Oh my gosh, amazing. Ngayon lang ako nakapasok dito. Ito sa loob. Naka-live ka? Naka-live ka? Grabe, ang ganda. Buti na lang dinala ako dito ni Beng. Wala akong alam dito sa loob. Ayun, oh, white orchids. Wild orchids yata ito. Mga hanging plants. Gusto ko ng hanging plants. Ang lamig. Kaya kailangan talaga naka-aircon itong mga bulaklak na ito. Karado kasi naka-aircon talaga siya. Naka-centralize. Yan, may nag-aalaga talaga. Ang ganda. May lemon. May lemongrass. Ah, lemongrass. Lemon. Lemon tree. Yung parang hindi na ako makafocus sa video kasi ang gaganda ng gandang tingnan.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Hi!
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. A desire
Malita.
just hide while I work. I'm tired, you
Ayan, ang galing nila guys. Ano siya, yung rose. Talagang alaga nila hanggang dun sa taas. Ayan oh. Maganda sana pag lalo na pag may bulaklak siya. Picture na tayo din. Oo, baka matumba. Ay, ang ganda. Anong bulaklak kaya ito, Ben? Ganda, oh. Ay, regali. Ay, wow. Good morning. Ay, good afternoon. Ay, wow. Cactus. Wow, ganda. Mga ulo. Oh, lala. Wow. Uy, ang taas na day. Oh, ano na siya gani, oh? Cactus. Diin? Diin mo ng balko.
Ayan guys, pwede po kayong maupo dito. Char lang. Ang lalaki ng mga cactus. Wow. So ito naman yung pangalan, fishhook cactus. Ito na. Saan?
Oh, Pilipit cactus. Ginangalanan na lang namon eh. Hindi mga kilala.
Tingan ta ni Pungko, biday? Gaiko atong tingog. Ay, hasta bilis dalong dayo. Okay. Iba't ibang uri ng cactus dito sa taas ng Hong Kong Park. Centralized din yung aircon. Ayan, naka-centralized.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. Desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I write a
Do
second,
not
third verse.
touch.
About the lies you go disperse. You never do shit, I know it hurts.
Ito talaga nilang pahawakan. Wow, ang ganda. Parang dinidiligan ba nila to? Parang tuyo.
May aloe vera pa, oh. Aloe vera. Ang taas. Ito naman siya. Ayan.
Dayo. Ilang buwan daw guron.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off or get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. A slow burn
Ay, oo. Ayaw mo na siya galit. Ay, nakita mo kita sa mga post-post ba? Lapa ko. Gatanaw ako dahil guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much everyone for your support. Bye bye.